What's good, Wealth Builders? This is another episode of Funny Money, and this is another incident that I think, in reality, I think this is the wildest incident I've ever come across. Okay, the wildest thing I've ever come across, and I don't know how to even digest it properly. So I had to make you guys aware of the type of things that are going on in the world and know that you're kind of blessed, probably blessed. If you're watching this video, if you're able to watch this video on your iPhone and you didn't do anything strange for that iPhone, then you are blessed, my friend. All right, so a shocking incident has occurred in West Bengal, India, where a couple went to an extreme length just to create an Instagram reel while traveling across the state. According to a report by the Times of India, a couple from North 24 Parganas district sold their child to buy an iPhone 14 to create IG reels. Are you kidding me? They sold their child to get an iPhone 14 to create IG reels. This is more sad than funny, right? Like, I couldn't imagine selling my child. It was a baby, right? And the neighbors called the police or called the authorities on them because they didn't see the baby anymore. You understand? Like it's for real. Like, people are crazy. Like, that's the wildest shit I've ever heard to do for money, is sell your child. And yes, I mean, there's other instances, but it sold their child for an iPhone 14. Like, that's almost, it's almost incredible to even fathom that, right? To even think about that. How could you even do something like that? Okay. And in the article, it shows the price, but I'm not even going to get into that. I don't care how much that the iPhone 14 is worth. Okay, you sold your child for it. That's wild. That is wild. Okay. Yes, the mom has been arrested. The father is still on the run, as far as at the time of print of the article, which was yesterday. Yes, it happened in India, but let's not act like it can't happen in the United States. Let's not act like it can't happen elsewhere, right? Because people do the craziest and wildest things for money or for materialistic things. Okay? It's ridiculous. Okay? But yeah, that's the wild story of the day. Yeah, I just had to let y'all know. Anyway, man, thanks for watching. If you want to check out the Wealthbuilderz System, check out the Wealthbuilderz System.com and learn how you can make more money, save more money, build a better you and business, and get business credit. Learn how to build that business online. Learn how to take things to a new level. Check out the Wealthbuilderz System. Is it all-in-one system? It only costs $9.99 to get involved with. It's $9.99. That's $10 for you to get involved with the Wealthbuilderz System. So why not, right? Until next time, it's the man, it's the myth, the Wealth Builder himself, signing off for when buying an iPhone 14 goes wrong. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.